Let's get started with a new part file. Come up to the File menu, click New, select Part from the list of templates, and click OK. This will start a new part, and the units will be in inches. I'm going to click the right plane over in the Feature Manager and click Sketch from the toolbar. This will swing us around so we're drawing on the right plane. Come up to the Sketch Tools and select Corner Rectangle. Start the rectangle at the origin. Come down and to the right. Sketch out a rectangle. Click. We're going to dimension quickly with Fully Define, and then simply click OK in the Fully Define Property Manager. This puts on some quick dimensions. We're going to set the height to 0.4 and the length to 6 and save as. Let's go up to the File menu, click Save As. We'll key in base for the file name and press Enter. Then we're going to take this sketch into a feature. Let's click Features Toolbar and Extruded Boss Base. Now we want to set the end condition to mid-plane. This is so that the origin is in the middle. If we click, we can see that the extrude is expanding out from the origin. This is important because later we're going to use the right plane as a mate reference. Let's key in 1.4 for the depth of our extrude. Press Enter twice and save. Next we're going to press the F key to fit and chamfer. We'll find chamfer in the Features toolbar, and we're going to set the chamfer to distance. So we'll select distance, set the number 1 distance to 0.3 and the number 2 distance to 2. And we want full preview selected, and we're going to select the bottom edge, which would be the bottom front edge, and we'll get a preview. So it's going to cut this section right here off the corner. Click OK. So we chamfered the bottom edge. Next we'll switch to the top view. In the Features toolbar we'll select Hole Wizard. We're going to make a couple of holes for our screws. So we want to select the hole type, scroll down, we want ANSI inch, fractional drill sizes. The size we set to 3/32, blind, and the depth of the hole 0.1. Then select the Positions tab up at the top of the Property Manager. Next we're going to come over to the drawing. We're going to click the top of the face twice. It's going to create points. If you want, you can keep the point lined up right there. Then we'll select Fully Define to add some dimensions and click OK. We'll set the dimensions. This dimension is going to be 5.4. And this dimension from the edge, 0.3. And this dimension for the second hole is 1.1. So we have 0.3, 1.1 and 5.4. Sometimes this dimension doesn't come off of this edge, so I'm going to delete it and show you another possibility that the fully defined might dimension this as 0.6. So same difference. Let's click OK in the Property Manager and save. Switch to isometric and we'll set the material. So we right click Materials in our Feature Manager, select Edit Material, close Steel, expand Woods, and select Cedar. Apply and close. Now the wood grain's running the wrong direction. So what we need to do is first turn on PhotoWorks. There's a good chance that your PhotoWorks is not turned on. So to turn on PhotoWorks, you come over to the Tools menu, come all the way down to Add-ins. And in the Add-ins dialog box, you're going to select PhotoWorks. You're going to check the Active column, and you're going to check the Startup column. So 2 checks, and then click OK. Now we have our PhotoWorks turned on. So we'll go into the PhotoWorks menu, click Appearance, and over in the Appearance Property Manager, we're going to select Mapping tab, and then scroll down to Rotation. We're going to set the rotation to 90. So you can see our grain direction is rotating with the length of the stock. We'll click OK and save.